Hi, it's Eric giving you the HIEMIM Africa Fund update for July. The fund was up about 8% during the month. We had very good performance from our long portfolio from stocks like Jumia, Harmony Gold, Sibanye, and MTN. Jumia was especially notable. It was up 180% during the month. There was no news from the company. I think it was just the general strength of tech stocks around the world. Maybe a realization by investors that how undervalued Jumia is compared to its peers in Asia and South America. The worst performing stocks were our shorts in Capitec and Glencore. And then sector-wise, the best performing sector was our 21% exposure to gold miners and precious metals. The fund ended the month with our equity book about 58% net long with an 87% gross. The fixed income portfolio is all in short duration US Treasuries. And just in comparison, it's worth noting the Dow Jones Titans Africa Index was up about 1.4% during the month and down about 13.5% for the year so far. The big change in the portfolio was that we sold all of our positions in South African and Kenyan banks. The original idea had been that we expected a very difficult year for loan loss provisions in 2020, but then we would look through that to a very sharp rebound in earnings in 2021. But it's increasingly looking like these problems in commercial real estate are going to continue through to 2021. So we've adjusted down our earnings estimates, and it's made the stocks a lot less attractive. In their place, we added a little bit further to the gold and precious metal miners, but we also added a new company, Africa Oil. So Africa Oil is a high-quality oil exploration and production company sponsored by the Lundin family in Sweden. It has about 34,000 barrels of production through a stake in Total's Egina field in Nigeria, but also has some pretty interesting oil exploration acreage in South Africa, Namibia, and Kenya. So we think the 34,000 barrels of production is highly undervalued, but there's also two important wells they're going to drill in the Q3 in Namibia and South Africa. The South African well is particularly interesting. It is, they're going to drill that in block 11B, 12B in South Africa, and this well will decide whether this is actually a multi-billion barrel discovery being operated by Total just offshore South Africa. This top performing stock was Harmony, which was up 56% during the month. So Harmony Gold closed on their acquisition of the Mponeng gold mine in South Africa. They bought that from Anglo Gold Ashanti. It's the second mine they've bought from Anglo Gold. Add both of them together, about 500,000 ounces. So this mine, they bought 350,000 ounces of production for about $200 million. They were working on the deal towards the end of 2019 when the gold price was about $1,500. And so the gold price is now over $1,900. So it's looking like they paid about 1 times prospective earnings for this gold mine, which probably makes it the deal of the year. Coincidentally, the CEO of Anglo Gold Ashanti has decided to step down and retire. And I think that's the kind of pressure you get under when you've sold 500,000 ounces of gold at the bottom of the cycle. So I think this also may be the start of a general shift in the mindset of gold mining CEOs away from, the last couple of years have been very difficult, always focused on deleveraging the balance sheet and divestments. I think maybe they now switch to acquisitions and growth. And so we've been adding to a position in an exciting gold exploration company in Namibia called Osino Resources. So it's been a good month and the stocks have done well, but I think there's more upside in our positions, especially in the precious metal companies. But even so, we're always looking for new ideas and new opportunities to make sure that we have a good month for the fund. Thank you.